switch this month. Underdog getting this shit, I'm right. I'm insane, you saying I'm right. Gonna go pop and jump the gun. I'ma go Phoenix like the Suns. I'ma go down and run it up. It ain't over till it's done. Kick this bitch just like a punt. What you need it, yeah. Buy it, then receive it, yeah. Give it, then receive it.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate everybody coming back. It's a lot to me. Today we're here at the parking structure where it all goes down, and yeah, my car's right there, so you guys will know right now. So today I'm doing this review on this Meguiar's Restoration headlight kit. It's like step 2, I believe. My headlights are kind of getting foggy. I'm not sure why. It's not a lot, it's like a little bit, but I just want to clear it out, that way it looks good, you know. I have the restoration kit here, the headlight coating, so after you finish cleaning it, you spray this on. It's right here. And then this is a cleaning solution. So this is the first thing that you're gonna put on there. And also it came with a little pad to scrub it. So gonna do that today. And also I'm gonna show you guys that this really works. A lot of people have been telling me about this, so I'm here today to try it out, see if it works. It wasn't that bad. It was like $20, I think, or $18 something with tax. So let me show you guys my car. The headlight thing I was telling you guys about, a little fog. You guys can see right there. Yes, it's not, like I said, it's not that much, but you could tell a little bit right there. It gets like a little foggy, and that's the tint that I have for the amber. So I'm gonna do this right here, and then on this side also, I think there's a little bit on here. Yeah, it's not that much on this one. You can't really tell. But I'm still gonna do it, just, you know, see if this really works. I heard it does. We're gonna try it out today. Yeah, let's get to it. So a lot of videos on YouTube, I see a lot of people using this with gloves, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna use my hand and see. Hopefully nothing happens, nothing burns my fingers. If it does, then you guys will see me at the hospital. Nah, but let's do this. So let's do like a couple dots. Oh, never mind about the dots, just pour some. That should be good. Alright. So I know a lot of people have yellow headlights, and I'll tell you guys, a lot of people have been telling me about this solution and restoration, and they say it really works. So if you guys want to try it, we'll see right now. So it really works. I'll show you guys right now if it does. Oh, fuck! No, I'm just kidding.
What life?
So I did it here. You guys can tell. It's like, it's already dried up. Like, I don't want to touch it, but it's all dried. Yeah, we're gonna wait for a little bit, a couple more minutes, then we're gonna take it off with that towel right there, and then from there I'm gonna see if I need another coating of the solution, the cleaning solution right there. Oh, actually we should start doing the other side, so let's do that. All right, so let's add a little bit more over here. Not as much because it's not that bad. So after a couple minutes, I did that headlight already. I didn't really need to do that much on that one, but this one's the one that was like really bad. So now what we're gonna do is clean it with this microfiber, and hopefully it looks good. Alright guys, so I just cleaned this headlight with the one with the first coating, and it's coming out really good. That was just one coating. After that, I'm gonna spray that down, with this solution here. So we'll see right now. That should brighten up more. It's gonna bring out more of the brightness. And then this one we're gonna wipe it down right now because it's ready to wipe out. Alright, so I already cleaned this one here. This one came out good too. Look at that. Yeah, that one came out good. So now we're gonna use this headlight coating. You guys can see right there. We're gonna use that. Just spray it on there and you should be good. Here it goes. That's that one. Woo! Looks nice. That's that one. Guys, after waiting a couple of minutes, let me just show you guys the results. So I'm gonna throw in a before picture right now. You guys can see that? Alright, check this out. This is the after. With only one coating, look at this. It's like almost brand new. Guys, this really works. Look at the other side. Look at that. No fog, nothing. Look at on top. That is crazy. So on these, I believe there's 3 steps. There is the one that's like a basic that doesn't really do that much. There's this one, the 2-step, which there's like, you'll have fog and it's not that bad, but you still have fog on your car. You know, it's like yellow. And then also there's a 3rd one, the one's like a heavy duty, like you beat your car, like, or it's like your work truck or something like that, you know? Then there's that step too. Like there's 3 steps. But I went with this one because I know my car wasn't that bad. But guys, Meguiar's got down with this one here. I was like, look at this, it's incredible. It's like crazy. I'm like, I'm still shocked. Look at that. Let me see, let me turn on the lights real quick. And it's even brighter too. Sheesh. That's clean. You guys can check the other ones out, but if you don't have that much like I did, I would go with step 2. Really, really works. So from 1 to 10, what do I give it? I'm gonna give it a, I want to give it a 10, but you know, I'm gonna give it a 10. It's a 10 because look, it's like crazy. Like I could do more coating, but like it doesn't really need it. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was a short little video. It's just a random little review I wanted to do just to clean my headlights because they're getting not that bad, but they're just, I didn't like how they're looking. So as you can see, it did the job. It looks clean, it looks clear. I like it. Also, I got a couple mods coming soon. Not gonna say what it is, it's gonna be a surprise. Also guys, let me know what you guys got for Christmas. Leave it on the comment. Do you guys got any car parts, any tires, intake? I know a lot of people are gonna get some tunes. Let me know what you got in the comments. Also guys, I want to give a big happy late Christmas to everybody. Thank you all for the support, really appreciate that. And also on New Year's, happy New Year's, and I hope you guys turn up and celebrate. And one more thing I want to say. Fuck 2020. Damn, 2020 has been crazy, but you know what? Let's forget about the past, and 2021 it's gonna be lit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And thank you all for the support. Really appreciate that also. Thank you guys. And now let's do a little cold start for the end.
While live.